Hello guys, it's Mickey. Welcome to my channel, and if you're just tuning into my channel, please subscribe, turn on the notification bell so as to be notified each time there's an upload coming from me. Well, I'm sorry I couldn't make a video yesterday. I was busy creating videos for my students, so we had just 6 videos on Vimeo, so now I added 2 more, making it 8 videos, and I have just few days more to get to the end of March, so I have to meet up. All right, 12 videos, 8 videos, remaining 4 videos, so I'm definitely going to meet up. All right, so yesterday's video was cream base and face cream. Okay, so, and yes, someone asked a very critical question saying, if I pay for April, would I still see videos for March? No, you won't. I will only restrict you to videos for April. All right, so you can't see videos that I've actually made for March. Those ones will be locked down for people who paid, and if you still want to pay for March, you can. All right, even if you're in April, you're in June, you still want to pay for March, you can. All right, one thing about skincare, it's it evolves. So we've done some parts like 2 pro mixing, we've done just 1 organic and skincare formulation, the new one I went to learn, so we've done that. So for the month of April, another one continues, but be rest assured that the ones I taught in March cannot be taught in April. We're going to teach other courses again in April, so they are different, but it's it's just like you learning face cream and body cream, afcast. We've not even touched the afcast. We just did face cream yesterday and cream base, so we've not even touched afcast. We've not touched Moroccan. We've not touched none of that. We've not touched all those things. So that's by the way. Well, for some questions I already said I'll answer you, and I'll put some of the videos out to pepper you guys. You guys won't actually see the ingredients, you just see me mixing. Pepper them gang. All right, and I love you guys so much. I've got so much fan support, which is really nice, really nice, I must say. It's I'm really impressed, due to the fallout from my mobile app and all that. And yes, my website is down, but I've already started creating a new website, so it will be different. It will be mickeyskincare.com. all right, this will be way different. We had to, because the web designer that created my website, and I don't want to even go into it. Did I say dupe, or I want to say anything to ban me. All right, so ended up my domain got expired. He didn't even tell me, and someone who is not trustworthy, you can't send money to someone like that. That would be stupid of me. So I had to close down that website. We'll start a new website. So it's such a pity that Nigerians have to scam their way to the top. You just have to defraud people in order for you to get to the top. Hope when you do that, when you're not honest in business, you just notice your business is not growing. Nothing is gonna happen. Nothing is happening in your business. I want to one village don't shame you. I want to one don't shame me. That's not true. Business is transparency. You have to be transparent in business, but all the same, I'm not going to say he duped me, because everyone is saying he has duped you. Yeah, bye. No, he just didn't do the work I wanted, and we fell out. Such a shame, though. But all the same, I've got a new web designer that is doing my job. Okay, so rest assured, in the next 2 weeks, okay, we are speeding it up. In the next 2 weeks, next 2 weeks, hopefully by the grace of God, my website will be up and running. And I'm still going to do my mobile app. Don't think no, she's not doing mobile app again, she's sticking to Vimeo. No, that's not true. I'll still do the mobile app because I promised it. All right, so we're definitely going to do that. I just need time. All right, I need time to trust. When you've gone through this, to trust someone again is a bit difficult. It's going to be a bit difficult, but all the same, my family, okay, I've been carrying this hair for so long. It's itching. And if you guys notice that the weather is really hot, like I've not even been using my cream at all. It's hot, and most times there's no light. You can't start using cream under hot weather now. How would it look like? Sweaty, be itchy. It doesn't make sense. So tomorrow I'll answer your questions. All your questions being put out, I'll answer your questions one after the other. I'll dissect them. Okay, and today's video is just to show you guys some stuffs we made, and that's all. And yes, I'll still keep doing my reviews, because some people are like, Mickey, now that you created that Vimeo, you will not do reviews again. That's not true. I'll still do my reviews. Alright, I'll still make some things for you guys here, but definitely not what I'm mixing on Vimeo. Never, 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 because they are paying for that. I'm not going to do that. But I still have an obligation to serve you guys, alright? Because you guys actually made me who I am right now. So I still have an obligation to be loyal to you guys. You understand? So check out my other videos. I'm just going to show you guys now that I did for my students. Check it out. And I love you guys like key, low, day. Alright, bye guys. Welcome to the 7th skincare videos for the month of March. So okay, so what you have to do is get, alright, so this is our cream base. Well, this is what we use in making our face cream. So anytime you notice someone has made, so welcome to our 8th skincare videos for the month of March. Well, today we'll be making brightening face cream. In our last video we made base cream. Alright, that's cream base. So this is it, cream base used for the face. Alright, this was our last video. So right now we'll be making brightening face cream. Alright, using powders, not industrial chemicals. Now you're actually formulating your own product yourself, so you're going to be branding it. These are things alright, so disconnect it. Okay. Now, totally different from the last time without whisking it. This is thicker. Alright, so this is our cream base, but this is a brightening face cream. We've turned the cream base into a face cream. So you could change it into a container, you could turn it into your container, which I would have to do. This is the final verdict of our face cream, brightening face cream. Okay, so this is how it looks like.